16,474 bottles of foreign liquor inside 672 cartons was seized from a lorry bearing number NL01AG1482 filled with coal that was coming from out of the state. The market value of the seized liquor is 18 lakh rupees. Incident took place at 41 Mile under Mungia police station on Monday. According to the details of the incident, the lorry number NL01AG1482 loaded with coal from outside the state reached the 41 Mile area under Mungia police station today, and the police stopped the vehicle and conducted a search. After conducting this search, it was found that 16,474 bottles of foreign liquor were being transported under the coal in 672 cartons in a novel way. The market value of the seized liquor is 18 lakh rupees, says the OC of Mungia police, Gautam Dev.
Chini kaisa slow gari NL01AG1482 koila load gari Assam ni take Agartala wo hang tongo apro jeng 41 mile naka point agar ne check khaikya gari check khai gari wo koila bisingo chuak dajak mangkha total jeng 672 carton aro chuak mangkha bottle hangkai 16478 ta bottle mangkha jaga hati wo chuak ni dam bazar mulyo hangkai approx 18 lakh taka obo hangke ulmong triple x ram Assam state ni chuak obo sudu Assam no phaljong ni swijak sumar swijak dugu gari driver tai gari ni assistant co driver no sangrong kha jeng gari ka soka prai pungni sarno ta hairo gamni process kai sing prai koila bisingni chuak tiklabini sing kongma somoyang kha jeng prai dupor sarbarta haijora nakha aroni chuak tiklabini.
Meanwhile, police arrested the driver and co-driver of the concerned vehicle and took the vehicle into their custody. The police statement about the whole matter is that now they will try to bring forward who is behind the incident by doing the necessary investigation. Reported by Biplav from Khorang, Chini Khorang.